to Autumn by John Keats. Season of mists and mellow fruitfulness, close bosom friend of maturing sun, conspiring with him how to load and bless, but through the vines that round the thatched eaves run, to bend with apples the most cottage trees, and fill all fruit with ripeness to the core, to swill the gourd and plug the hazel shells with a sweet kernel, to sit budding more, and still more little flowers for the bees, until they think warm days will never cease, for summer has overbrimmed their clammy cells. Who hath not seen thee, oft amid thy store? Sometimes whoever seeks abroad may find thee sitting careless on a greenery floor, thy hair soft lifted by the winnowing wind, or in a half-reaped furrow sound asleep, drowsed with the fume of poppies, while they hook spares the next swath and all its twin flowers. And sometimes like a gleaner thou dost keep steady thy laden head across a brook, or by a cider press with patient look thou watchest the last oozings hours by hours. Where are the songs of spring? Ay, where are they? Think not of them. Thou hast thy music too, while bare clouds bloom the soft dying day, and touch the stubble plains with rosy hue. Then in a wailful choir the small gnats mourn among the river shallows, borne aloft, or sinking is the light wind lives or dies, and full-grown limbs loud bleed from hilly bourne. Hedge crickets sing, and now with treble soft the red-breast whistles from a garden croft, and gathering swallows twitter in the skies.